Hi guys, good morning. So I'm seeing a lot of clashback from MK people saying that in Diabachukela, why am I blaming MK for the vet not passing? Ingenapi MK, ton. So I'm gonna make this video and I'm gonna try again, and I'm trying again for the last time. MK members, first of all, the reason I'm blaming MK, and I'm explaining this to Abokomo as well because he made a video now I want tech. MK members that were not that were absent pi, there were three. First of all, Kunhlamulo, Dr. Hlope, I don't know where's Tatu, not sure who's the third person. Three. Where were they? Dr. Hlope. Dr. Hlope, a leader of the official opposition, on such an important day. Where was he? MK has got a lot of leaders that are not in parliament. Or not in Tleko, Bakon, or Floyd, Bakon. They could have gone Guatukus. Jacob Zumukon, he could have gone Guatukus, not to Dr. Hlope on an important day. And I hear some of you are saying, Bana, hi, asingen now. Yonkinto, everything is going up in price now. While you are saying aningen now, you're thinking, Ubana, if MK is voting for vet, is helping us. It's helping you. Because you gonna songa s. Everything is going up in the 1st of May. So when I wanna see you guys, when you start understanding what's happening, you're gonna want to go march. You're gonna want to complain and say, ANC Ramaphosa, yet you had a chance yesterday to fix things. Now let me bring you back to the numbers. Dr. Hlope, knowing an important day, they chose to go to a by-election and left an important decision to be made by the ANC back on. Secondly, MK has got 10 empty seats in parliament. And again, I don't like engaging about MK with TikTok because you guys are clueless. You know nothing. You are clueless. Yeah, but let me help you so that you have information. So your leaders were trying to explain yesterday, Andile Mngxitama was trying to explain, Zwanele Manyi was trying to explain the reason why MK has got 10 seats. It's no excuse. MK, those people that were in those seats, they were removed. I think it was last year. I just don't know which month, but that was a long time. Those people who wanted to take MK to court regarding those seats, that was a long time. MK should have filled those positions by now. That was a long time, guys. I don't care what you say. And if you are saying they can't put permanent structures, they should have put temporary people to hold those seats. You can't have 10 seats that are empty in parliament knowing that we are vote. You can't. Not only for this vote, there's going to be something else that says I voted and MK will still have 10 seats. For the people that are saying, because I saw Mngxitama saying, no, the ISC sabotaged us, so we can't saw in new members. Colin McCowell and other 2 people were sworn in 2 weeks ago. So if Parliament is sabotaging you not to swear in other people, why Colin? As a city, they are just reserving them for people. So the reason I'm blaming MK, the people that voted in favor of the vet to go up are 194. The people who voted no are 182. 194 minus 182 is 12. MK seats, 10 people that are missing, plus 3 people that went to Kwatukuza, 13. If MK had their house in order, we would have won the budget, interdicting that budget. We would have won to make sure that the budget doesn't pass. And for those that are dumb, again, this is going to be the last time I'm trying to help you. Budget, VAT going up, it's something that you're going to live and experience every day. It's not for political parties, it's for us on the ground. It's not for political parties. It's something that you're going to be dealing with every day. And you think you want to clap that? No, the MK was not there. Don't on something that is going to affect us starting on the 1st of May. 1st of May is next month. Next month. So to everyone who thinks ukuthi I'm blaming MK because I don't want MK. No, it's got nothing to do with that. It's got nothing to do with that. I'm blaming MK for being incompetent. I'm blaming MK for not having their house in order. I'm blaming MK for Dr. Hlophe, who are leaders. On such an important day as a leader, uhambe uye kwi-by-election, ushiye indlu, ushiye ipati yakho. So if your leaders in MK don't take serious such events, I don't even know why people are voting for MK. And I'm talking about sober people of the MK who were asking Mzwanele Manyi yesterday and telling Anapa on TikTok, Nina, you are clueless. You are clueless. You are dumb. The people that have knowledge in MK were asking Mzwanele Manyi yesterday, ukuthi Mzwanele, what are we doing in Parliament if we are missing on such important occasions? What is it? Yeah, man. Those are people who know how these VAT increases are going to influence in their lives. Not in Nina. Nina, we're happy for the by-elections. I'm happy for you guys that you won by-elections, and I'm happy that you won Kwatukuza. Congratulations. But what I'm saying to you, MK has got a lot of people. MK ayixhomekekanga Dr. Hlophe. Dr. Hlophe should have carried out his duty. Go to Parliament, nontlamulo. Abantu aba free, other leaders of MK who are not in Parliament, go to Kwatukuza. You can't sacrifice such important events for a by-election. So yeah, this is the last video I'm making about that budget voting. I'm answering everybody who has tagged me. Yeah, and let me just show you guys the parties that voted yes as well. These are the parties that voted for the VAT increase. Remember them.